Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from AI Basics. In this video, we are gonna be showing you how to use Snapchat AI on your iPhone for beginners. Snapchat has integrated an AI assistant called My AI, which can be a fun and helpful companion. To start using Snapchat AI on iPhone for beginners, the first thing you'll need to do is to download the Snapchat app, or if you've already downloaded the Snapchat application, make sure to update to the latest version of Snapchat. I'm gonna download the Snapchat application first since I don't have the app yet. So in order to do that, open the App Store from your iPhone. In the search box, type in Snapchat and search. Once you come across the Snapchat app, tap on the download or the get button to begin downloading Snapchat on your iPhone. If you already have the app, make sure you tap on the update button if available on this screen. Once the application is updated or installed, tap on open to launch Open Snapchat app on your device. Now the next step is to log into your existing Snapchat account or simply signing up for a new account. If you don't have a Snapchat account, tap on the sign up button at the bottom left and follow through the registration process. If you already have a Snapchat account, tap on log in and sign in using your credentials. Soon after you open up the Snapchat app, allow necessary permissions such as notification, camera access, and microphone. You will now be able to see your camera screen opened up on your iPhone. Swipe right from the camera screen in order to get to the chat interface. In order to find My AI for Snapchat, you can look for the My AI pinned right on the top of your chat list. Simply tap on it and you will come across this pop-up. To agree to the terms and privacy concerns, tap on OK and you will now be able to access My AI for Snapchat. If you don't see My AI pinned on top of your chat list, do not worry at all. It might be slowly rolling out to users. You'll need to be patient and check again after some time. Once you open up this My AI interface, you can now treat My AI like any other chat contact. You can type in questions, simply send a message, request or prompts. My AI can answer your question in a fun and informative way. Simply go ahead and send the prompts to get creative content ideas or even play games with the AI. My AI is still under development and it can perform various tasks like answering factual questions in a conversational way, offer creative writing prompts or story ideas, and write a creative story ideas, playing text-based games like Would You Rather, suggesting Snapchat filters or lenses to use based on your conversation. So that is how you will be able to explore the world of Snapchat AI and have some fun interacting with your virtual assistant. Remember that the more you use it, the more personalized and helpful My AI can become. So those were some of the easy to follow steps on how to use Snapchat AI on iPhone for beginners. All you need is a Snapchat account and you will be good to go and interact with your favorite AI. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.